Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse, guys, for the airbag. So if you have airbag problems and you're trying to find the fuse, guys, good news is we'll show you today where it's located. But you actually, guys, have two of them, so stay with us until the end. Now we will, guys, have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing these videos. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, guys, with your recommendations. Okay, so we have that 2015 Chevy Cruze, guys, but it should be the same for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. So first we need to open the hood, guys, support it, and one of the fuses is located, okay, in this fuse box, okay, right here, guys. I'm going to show you in just a minute. So how you guys open now that thing? Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, guys, 3 clips that we need to remove. Okay, you squish towards each other and pull up, one here. Okay, and we flip it on the side like this one. So now the fuse that we need to, guys, check is called, it's fuse number 17. Okay, fuse number 17, guys. Okay, let me show you where it's located. It's this, okay, little bitty fuse. Okay, it's a 5 amp fuse right here. Okay, check it out. This is the airbag fuse, guys. Next to it, you can see the number 17. So let me show you, guys, okay, how you remove those. You need to get the clip here. This is the fuse puller. Pull that clip towards the back and lift up at the same time. Now you go like that, stretch it, go on top of the fuse, pull it out. I would recommend, guys, every time you remove the airbag fuses, guys, okay, to actually go ahead and disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before you do that. Why? Because it's part of the airbag system and you don't want to blow something up, okay, because that can kill you, guys. So be extremely careful and always, okay, always, guys, disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before removing airbag fuses. So I'm going to get, okay, this clip with me now, okay, because we'll need to go on the inside. I forgot about it. So I'll go on the inside and show you where the other fuse is located now. But okay, let me see. Now you're next to the steering wheel here. We come down. There is one cover, guys, right here. Okay, I'm going to pull that cover out. Now those are, guys, the fuses right there. You can see this is your fuses. So the fuse now that we are looking at, guys, will be fuse, okay, it's called fuse, it's number 15, guys. Number 15 is a 10 amp airbag fuse. So looking, guys, okay, looking, guys, at the fuses here, the fuse for that will be, okay, this fuse right here. This is fuse number 15. And you can see the number, okay, next to the fuse. So let me pull it out. Okay, this is it, guys. And you can see it with the fuse removed. So those are, guys, the 2 fuses for the airbag system. So thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.